Living a healthy life is a goal many of us strive for, but with the fast-paced world we live in, it can sometimes feel overwhelming. However, adopting a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. By making small, consistent changes, you can significantly improve your overall well-being. Here are 10 tips for a healthy life in 2024 that can help you achieve a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Prioritize balanced nutrition. A healthy diet is the foundation of a healthy life. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and trans fats. In 2024, consider incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, as they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy your favorite treats occasionally but maintain a balanced approach. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for nearly every bodily function, from digestion to temperature regulation. Aim to drink at least 8–10 glasses of water daily. In 2024, consider investing in a reusable water bottle to track your intake and reduce plastic waste. If you find plain water boring, infuse it with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries for a refreshing twist. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting mental well-being. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. In 2024, explore new fitness trends like virtual workouts, yoga, or high-intensity interval training (HIIT) to keep your routine exciting and effective. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is often overlooked but is vital for overall health. Adults should aim for 7–9 hours of sleep per night. Poor sleep can lead to weight gain, weakened immunity, and increased stress levels. In 2024, create a bedtime routine by avoiding screens before bed, keeping your room dark and cool, and practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your physical and mental health. Incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine, such as mindfulness, meditation, or journaling. In 2024, consider trying digital detoxes or spending more time in nature to reduce stress and improve your mood. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time, especially on smartphones and computers, can lead to eye strain, poor posture, and disrupted sleep. Set boundaries for screen use, such as taking breaks every hour or implementing a no screens before bed rule. In 2024, explore hobbies that don't involve screens, like reading, gardening, or painting. Build strong social connections. Healthy relationships are essential for emotional well-being. Make time to connect with family and friends, whether in person or virtually. In 2024, prioritize meaningful interactions and consider joining community groups or clubs to expand your social circle. Practice preventive healthcare. Regular checkups and screenings can help detect potential health issues early. Stay up to date with vaccinations, dental visits, and annual physical exams. In 2024, consider using health apps or wearable devices to monitor your vitals and track your progress toward health goals. Avoid harmful habits. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and drug use can have severe long-term health consequences. If you struggle with these habits, seek professional help or join support groups. In 2024, focus on building healthier habits that promote longevity and vitality. Cultivate a positive mindset. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Practice gratitude, set realistic goals, and surround yourself with positivity. In 2024, consider starting a gratitude journal or practicing affirmations to boost your mental resilience and outlook on life. Conclusion: adopting a healthy lifestyle in 2024 doesn't require drastic changes. By incorporating these 10 tips into your daily routine, you can improve your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to lasting results. Start today and embrace a healthier, happier you.